ఏం తెతా ఉందండి చూడండి, ఇట్లా ఇట్లా అంటుంది ఎందుకు అట్లా.
My name is Josika. I am from 5th class. Today my half saree symbolism. Today Malti auntie did makeup for me, so I like her makeup. Today she did me naturally makeup. Thank you very much.